Wally. Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Like, share, and comment. Is TT sleeping already?
Most likely.
Tonight.
Sleeping already, baby? Ready to go to bed? I know, it's okay. Guess what we didn't bring? Stroller.
We're not gonna really walk about though. But yeah, we're going to run some errands. Today's Sunday. Yep. Today's which date?
January.
So I'm gonna watch charge now. Today
2022. Oh yeah.
Today's the 16th?
Yeah.
So why's my watch saying the 12th?
That's not good, man.
No. We're going to the car wash first thing first, right?
It's too dirty, man. I don't even like to see it so dirty.
So we're going to do that. Listen, yesterday I ate some ackee and saltfish and dumpling and what else? What else did I about? And squash. Yeah, that's what I ate.
Pumpkin.
And yeah, that's the squash.
Yeah.
It was really good. I can't wait to go back to Jamaica to have some good food because there's no good food here. Like, I'm really annoyed. There's no good food here.
Good food that
You're not pretty
you
up
like.
nothing. No, there's no good food here.
There's no good food that you like. You're not used to the food.
The food don't taste
You're not used to
good.
Jamaican food. And
I can't wait to go back though.
It's one tree. See, you go back to Jamaican, you have a food, yes, but you have lacks of certain entity. Then while you're here, you have.
So anyways, as many that said, me can't wait to go back because the first place I'm heading to is KFC. Okay, so the KFC here, it doesn't have the flavored chicken like the KFC in Jamaica. They only have one flavor here, basically.
And when you go back to Jamaica, it's not even gonna taste the same.
It no matter.
Make it
It's gonna taste good.
Just make it,
So I need that. I need some patty. I need patty from Mother's. I need patty from Juicy Beef. I may want all I patty with Mother's have. All I patty with Juicy Beef have. Yeah. And some home cooked meal. Yeah. I need those. So bad. Food are not really 100. Don't make them chicken. Don't make Wally chicken. All Wally eat is bush. Green grass.
You're more than fine.
Yeah, exactly. So anyway, you go your green grass did it, but I not everywhere me go Jamaica did it.
So you don't go back to Jamaica, man. You can't get everything.
Jamaica only have.
You're free to go back to Jamaica, you know. So you can go back to Jamaica and go eat all you want.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
And then when time you're broke now, run come back a foreign and then cause foreign food. So you not continue.
He's such a hater.
I don't hate. I should.
You are.
You go broke when you go to Jamaica.
No.
You go broke. What kind
you
of
not got Jamaica for live.
What kind of work you have at Jamaica for continue?
Are you listening to me?
To continue down there eat.
Are you listening?
No, I don't care.
I'm not gonna go there to live. I'm gonna go there to just get some food in my system, some sunshine, and hit the road.
Then don't complain about what you're getting here now. Take what you get, yes sir. And then you move forward. Yeah?
Okay.
If you want to complain, then you go to Jamaica and then you
I can complain.
eat as much as you want and then you broke and start dead hungry.
No, you're not gonna stay there long.
Gone.
He just go on about your business. He just makes pure noise. So me just can't wait. Besides the food and all of that, me go back go see my family and have lots and lots of fun. But yeah, the food here isn't the best, honestly. And we don't know how long it's gonna take me to adjust to it, but there are days when I'm like, what do I eat? Like, what am I gonna eat? Because I'm just like tired of the same old, like, I don't know. If it's not sweet, it's salt. If it's not salt, it's, I don't want to try that. So yeah, but as I mentioned, I can't wait to have KFC there though. That barbecue chicken that's spicy and the original, and juicy beef chicken, nice too. I can't wait. But anyhow, my people, once we reach 500 subscribers, we'll be having a giveaway. We have big things coming, so just like up the video, them share, subscribe, and if you want to be one of the first watch a video, them just turn on that notification bell. But yeah, Wally is coming back now, and we're gonna go through.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna grab the season pass wash.
Okay, we'll go in our car wash now, so you guys will be able to see that. So yep,
I
know.
Yeah,
So there are 3
three
vehicles in front of us. So we're going in just now. You guys can see.
One life, 35.9. Let me see, girl. Oh, this one's very small.
Open here, Wally.
Hold on. Try to prepare them so we can prepare them. Watch out. Wow, so small. Look, let me go.
What would be fun right now? If you wind down your window and make it get wet.
Yeah, for you. Can we open it for you?
If you, don't mess with me.
Wet you.
Don't mess with me.
See my run and I skip like heck.
I'm if you run go. Me have to sit down.
You'll be like, oh my gosh, Terry, you really did that? Next time I'm gonna do it for you guys.
You crazy.
And just hide.
Headway.
Hey, don't worry. That's a good video, thank you.
What?
That's a great one to catch you for sure.
I bet you.
Wait, no?
I bet you $100.
Really?
Yeah.
Show me the $100 right now.
It'll work with cash.
Oh God, you're more sweet when you talk cheap.
I thought I eat but my mouth sweet but my talk cheap. I don't work with cash, so how am I going to show me $100?
You have to show me that phone. If you show me your phone, the bus is on you.
I only have $20, can't show you.
I'll take you in. What bill is that?
We would have serious problems.
Really?
Yep.
No. I wouldn't have no problem at all.
Look. Look.
So they're putting the shine on that bad boy. Step it up, man.
Uh-oh. It's coming.
Is your phone waterproof?
We're not gonna drop fear in the water to see if it's waterproof.
No one will. I just got him.
Wally? Did he just get me wet?
Did I catch you? I hope you caught that.
Nah.
Good Wally prank, guys. Yeah, we catch him.
You listen.
I pop this camera so we catch him good. Come in. Show you the video in there with.
Let me show them.
Hey, we went up in our phone with.
Look. Look how this guy wet up the place.
So you not get catch?
You ram too much.
You have to come out and visit the man. Let me see. No, don't go down. So yeah, the man. Mash it.
This guy wet me up. He don't have no behavior. On a comment one prank, we can wreck him. We can look on him, we can wreck him real good. Cause into order.
Man
Him
bossy.
bright.
Man bossy.
No.
Bad. Leather interior, guys, so you don't know. See, it can't get wet.
Come,
so we just
that's
pull
the
any
one
prank,
wipe
you know,
up
see it?
properly.
Leather interior, we have for the boy them, so we just deal with it both here.
Okay, hold on, let me wipe up here.
You wipe over there.
That's the remaining time. Look at me. Remember to comment some good pranks. Some pranks I can just wreck him. Please. From what they my ram. But me and him. Okay, so we're heading to the store now. So we'll see you guys. Look at TT. So see you guys when we look pa my bag where it wet. Listen, see you guys. Look at my bag.
I'm gonna just go. Yeah, alright, it's okay.
Wanna really think me for do to Wally? We're going to work and the bus is actually stuck.
Yep, snow, guys.
Yeah, it's really bad.
Canada.
Look how bad the weather is.
Toronto, guys. Oh, yeah. Bad weather. This is what it's like.
This is what outside is looking like at 9 o'clock. Mr. Wally, shovel snow. If you want the snow for shovel, hit me up at www.breezeadventure.com. Well, Clinton is helping out with her little shovel and our sand bucket. Well, this is her snow bucket now. Huh? Throw it over there. Yeah, but look at all this. Hit up Wally. I'm telling them to hit you up.
Hit me up.
Hit you up.
You know, great Wally. Always, guys. Blessings on top of blessings.
Shovel up, shovel up.
Live and enjoy it, you know. Man, want to rest, man. Man, tired. Man, heart a beat fast. You have to wait.
Yeah, it's a bit fast.
Hey, ice now, you know. You hit the air now. Titi. You want to snowbomb Titi?
TT well padded. Right, TT? Look at all this. Shovel up, Wally. Shovel up.
No, man, go.
Yes, Chang man. Go through.
No, man, go. You know.
Are you loving it down there? Go slide. Yeah, slide. Yay! Yay! You did it! Yay! Go again. Yay! Okay, take your time and get up. Yay! Oh my goodness. You didn't. Yay! We're walking to the park. Look what I do to my picnic. And the
You might have missed shoes. Pull us no.
No, walk over this side. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're snapping on my shoes. Okay, so look where we're heading to. Come, Titi. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is perfect. It is perfect. Oh my goodness. See? It's not that high over here. Okay, don't mess it up.
Go, baby, go.
Uh-oh. Okay, wait. Titi. Oh my goodness. Take her up. Take her up.
Hey, buddy. Stand up, baby.
See?
Hold on. Auntie, let it up.
Let me make one right here.
Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is.
Okay, let me make one now. I'm gonna freeze because I don't
Put on
even
your
have
hoodie.
on the proper.
Put on your hoodie.
I don't even have on the proper gears.
Properly.
Huh? Let's go.
Let me put you on, please. Look at that titty. Look at that titty. You're going to freeze up first. Your pants are going wet. That's why your pants are going wet.
It looks so good.
Because you're so hoping for me. You don't even remember me.
Oh, sorry. I'm freezing right now. Why would you damage mine? Crazy.
let go your foot, you know. No, Superman. Turn up.
So TT is gonna go on the slide. She's with her dad. They're right there. So I'm just gonna walk around here. Oh my god, there's so much snow on the slide. But I think she's gonna go down the slide like that.
Get it first.
She's stuck. So I'm gonna take a slide too.
Right on this one.
I'm definitely gonna slide.
Let go.
Let go, baby. Let go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. That's cold. Let me go on this thing.
Put your
It's slippery.
just you all use your hands and hold yourself. Then put your hands, put it in. You won't let go. Just hold your hands. Come. Careful. Come, baby. Come on here. Come here. 1, 2. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
That stretches my tummy area.
Come, baby.
Yeah, my core.
I'm gonna slide. Huh?
My pants is wet. I'm ready to go home. I'm gonna show you guys.
Yeah.
Look at my pants. It's wet because of the snow. It's not waterproof. So yeah, I'm cold. Like my legs are cramped. Oh my goodness, that's a bad one.
I like that one.
You guys should go again. Go again.
You want to make this side react because of the ice?
Yeah. Come, Titi. Oh. She made a stop.
Go up here. Yeah, go there again. Goodbye.
Let's go.
One, 2, 3.
Okay, she's having her own little fun up there.
Cool down.
Huh?
Face.
My legs are cold. Come, Titi. Let's go.
1. Come, baby. Let's go. 2.
Make your way down.
Sit down. Sit.
I think she's cold now too.
Face forward. You want to sit?
Looks like TT changed her mind. So I think we're about to leave. My feet are very cold. Oh my goodness. I dropped my thing. Ah! The thing is right here. Look, the rubber thing is right here. And this is what I slid on. It was slippery. And then this is the play area. I'm walking, I'm making my way. So she made her choice. She rather go into the swing. But yeah, I'm giving them 2 minutes because I'm ready. Whew. Look at them. Like they're not cold. Thunderbolt cold, yes. Really? Are you serious?
Yeah. Did you love that, you know? So that's bright.
I know.
There's so much.
Yeah. The sun is so bright outside, but the place is cold. Come tell them what you have up your sleeve for them.
I'm just joking, guys. Wally love you guys all the time. I always love you guys. Right now I'm just hungry, cold, exhausted, the whole works.
I'm alone. I've
And
all
we
of them
have-
description there.
And we have a whole lot of things for you guys, a whole lot of surprises.
Yeah, once we reach 500 subscribers, we'll be having a giveaway
There
on
you
behalf
go.
of
I know it's
Wally
I
and
know it's all
myself.
new now and fresh now, but just
Yeah.
keep watching and you guys will see for yourself. Only time will tell. Right? Don't worry. Love, subscribe, share, the whole works, everything. And prepare for fun, laughter, levity, everything. We have everything. Here.
Yeah.
So it's not
Yep.
Wally spoken.
So
Yeah.
this is the end of our
Wally
video.
gone. We're out here.
So
Love
just
all
do
the
what
time.
Wally says. We love you guys.
Serious, I
Bye
thought.
bye.
Cool and now I'm gone. That's it. Yeah. Eat some food.
Love you guys. Bye bye. Yeah. Oh jeez. Can I do that? I'm gonna die. I don't want to go too far. Oh my god.
You're not good. You're not good. We have to make it clear. You're not good. You're not
Whatever. It was so cold
Ready, baby?
outside. But comment down below
good.
what would you guys rather? Would you guys rather the heat or the cold? Comment down below and let me know.
Well cold out here. Yeah,
Yeah,
we're
she's
going
saying
in
you guys
now.
are bucket.
Food time, hungry, as you can see. Very hungry. Yeah.
Yep.
we're going home right now, and this is the end of the video. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Love all the time, guys. Always love.
Yep. And don't forget to turn on that post notification bell. See you guys. Bye bye.
Say bye, Titi.
Bye bye.